Now, it can be difficult to keep kids engaged and learning during summer break, but one local program is making learning fun.
Max Massey tells us about a family-owned business called Code4Bots that is trying to give kids a jump start to their future.
Robots, game design, and learning how to do animation. These are just a few of the camps offered by Code4Bots.
Code4Bots is an opportunity for kids to be able to enjoy STEM activities.
Code4Bots was thought of by their CEO and owner, Schmeis. This after he got his kids a robotics kit for Christmas one year. He believes it's important for every kid to get involved in STEM-based learning.
Robotics, technology, coding, programming, all that is a great skill to have.
Code4Bots offers camp for kids ages 6 to 15 years old. Experience is not required to enroll in the camps. The owners and their employees, they work together to make sure every kid is feeling challenged yet learning at the same time.
If you've had experience before, if you have not had any experience, you will have a lot of fun here.
Camps are based on the kids' ages. For younger kids, there's an emphasis on what is popular with kids at the time, whether that's working to make things based on Mario Brothers or Star Wars. The older children, they're geared towards building and learning how to make robots work. During camp, the kids will make their robots and then they'll have them battle each other. This is BattleBots.
Which kid doesn't love BattleBots?
2, 1, start!
Schmeis hopes this type of camp will help prepare kids for their future.
Our camps here start giving those kids the interest and the skills so that they can start being more engaged in the STEM fields.
Code4Bots still has spots open for their summer camps. You can learn how to enroll right now. Just head to ksat.com. Max Massey, KSAT 12 News.